One place of interest that is suffering from drought and water availability and will continue to in the future is Southeast Australia. There are different types of droughts: a meteorological drought, which relates to precipitation, agricultural droughts, which relates to drier soil, and hydrological droughts, which relate to river runoff or groundwater levels. This area has been prone to drought in the past years and generally dry, but warming temperatures, decreased stream flow, and reduced cool season rainfall will reduce the availability of water. Much of this area, as stated in our course text, produces wool, cotton, wheat, sheep, cattle, dairy produce, rice, oilseed, wine, fruit, and vegetables. The impact of reduced water will cause problems for humans, but also the environment. Many animals rely on these rivers will start to die and possibly even become extinct. With a decrease in water, farms and crops will reduce. Widespread drought in Southeast Australia resulted in substantial economic losses. In the Mary-Darling Basin was below forecast by 5.7% in 2007 through 2008. Communities will have to relocate due to a water shortage or maybe even increase in mortality rates, especially in rural communities. Water conservation and supply will affect most of Australia, though. However, Australia is already adapting. From the IPCC, it states, more efficient water use, allocation, and trading would increase the resilience of systems in the near term.